In this video, I'll show you how to stop ChatGPT from giving you generic responses and how to prompt it for better results. Let's get started. I start by asking ChatGPT to analyze a standard productivity response to identify the specific patterns that make it feel robotic and generic. The AI points out several flaws, such as the use of empty openers and a rigid, formulaic structure that lacks a natural human voice. It explains that when advice is too high level and uses buzzword padding, it becomes interchangeable and loses its value for the user. Next, I prompt the AI to rewrite that same productivity advice, but this time I ask for specific, direct, and actionable insights. The improved result suggests practical steps like defining what done looks like in a single sentence and limiting your daily focus to just 3 core actions. It also recommends using a timer for breaks and performing a quick evening review of distractions to help refine your workflow for the next day. To wrap things up, I ask for 5 clear examples comparing weak prompts to much stronger, more detailed versions across different categories. These comparisons demonstrate that adding a specific situation, clear constraints, and a defined goal prevents the AI from falling back on clichés. By following this pattern of providing context and desired output shapes, I can ensure every response I receive is relevant, professional, and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.